Today, we're making a better business spiritual water. And I specifically said better business. Not just more money, not just more customers, not just more sales. Because everybody who walks through your door isn't necessarily your customer. Every opportunity isn't necessarily a good opportunity, and every dollar isn't worth what it costs you to make it. So we're dressing this water with the intention of attracting better customers, better opportunities, increased visibility, consistent sales, growth, prosperity, and movement. If you've been feeling like your business is stagnant, overlooked, inconsistent, or you're simply ready to take it to another level, this is the type of spiritual work you can incorporate alongside the physical work that you're already doing. Let's dress it. Before I add anything, I want to know exactly what I'm asking this water to do. That's important. Don't just throw a bunch of prosperity herbs together because somebody told you they're money herbs. Give every ingredient a job. For this water, my intention is better business. I want profitable business. I want consistent business. I want the right customers. I want people who value what I offer. I want opportunities that make sense. I want visibility that converts into something. And most importantly, I want the business to continue moving forward. Now let's build that intention, ingredient by ingredient. First, I'm going in with basil. Basil is one of those herbs I love for prosperity work because for me, it represents the foundation of what we're trying to create here, a prosperous business. And prosperity isn't just having one really good sales day. I want something sustainable. I want the bills paid. I want inventory moving. I want customers returning. I want enough coming into the business that the business can continue feeding itself and still have something left over. As I add my basil, I'm giving it its assignment. Bring prosperity into this business. May this business grow, flourish, and be financially supported. And remember, you can speak naturally when doing your own work. Your intention doesn't have to sound fancy. It just needs to be clear. Next up is going to be cinnamon. Now we're adding some heat. Because sometimes the problem isn't that nothing is available to you. The problem is that everything feels like it's moving too slowly. People are looking, but they're not buying. You're posting, but nobody's responding. You've got ideas, but they're not getting traction. That's where I want cinnamon in this particular working. I'm using cinnamon for attraction, speed, and momentum. May business pick up. May sales increase. May customers be drawn to what I have to offer. May the things I've been working towards begin to move. I don't want chaotic business. I want productive movement. And there is a difference. Next, we're going in with peppermint. And peppermint has a very specific job here. I want fresh movement. Sometimes business gets stagnant. Same customers, same numbers, same ideas, same results. And you can feel when it's time for something fresh to enter the situation. So with my peppermint, I'm calling in new customers, new ideas, new opportunities, new connections, and new ways for people to discover the business. Where there has been stagnation, bring movement. Where there has been limitation, show me another way. And that's important because sometimes the opportunity you're asking for isn't going to look exactly like what you imagined. Leave room for something better. Next, I have allspice. I'm using allspice to bring success and good fortune into this working because I don't just want opportunities. I want opportunities that actually work out. I don't just want somebody to contact me. I want the conversation to go somewhere. I don't just want traffic. I want conversions. And I don't just want people putting things in their cart. I want them checking out. So with this, we say, bring favorable outcomes. May opportunities work in my favor. May my efforts produce results. May this business experience success. That's the energy I want attached to it. Now we're adding orange peel. And I really like orange for business work because I want the business to have an energy that people are naturally attracted to. Think about it. Two businesses can sell similar things, right? But there's something about one of them that makes you want to walk in. You like being there. You remember it. You tell someone else about it. You go back. That's the kind of attraction I'm talking about. So with this, we say, may the right people see me. May they recognize the value in what I offer. May customers enjoy their experience, remember this business, speak positively about it, and return. Because repeat business matters too. We're not just trying to get somebody through the door once. We're building something people want to come back to. And finally, I have green aventurine. I'm actually going to keep my stone outside of the water and use it alongside the bottle. Green aventurine is associated with opportunity, prosperity, luck, and growth. So it fits beautifully with what we're building. And here's something else I want you to think about. When you ask for opportunities, don't just ask for any opportunity. Ask for opportunities that are profitable, aligned, sustainable, and appropriate for where you're trying to go. Because sometimes saying yes to the wrong thing will keep you too busy to recognize the right thing. So with that, we say, open profitable doors. Bring opportunities that support the growth and longevity of this business. May I recognize the right opportunities when they appear. So now that everything is together, this is where I'm going to spend a little time actually speaking over my water. And again, you don't have to repeat my words exactly. Make this personal, okay? For me, I'm going to say, I dress this water for better business. May the right customers find me. May those who need what I offer recognize its value. May my business be visible, supported, respected, and well compensated. May stagnant energy move. May profitable opportunities open. May customers return. May sales increase. May my work produce results. May this business grow with stability, integrity, and abundance. I welcome better business, not simply more business. That's what I'm asking this water to carry. Okay, so you've completed the dressing of your better business water. What do you do with it? Simple. You're going to incorporate it into the spiritual maintenance of your business or your workspace. You can use it to wipe down the entrance of your business, since that is where business enters, or you can wipe down your workspace, since that is where you conduct business at. You can even use it prior to going live, meeting with a client, prior to opening your doors if you have a physical establishment. Now, if you're going to use it on a physical surface, I do recommend doing a small space test first, just to make sure that it doesn't damage any surfaces, okay? The point is not to soak everything in the spiritual water. Make sure you're working intentionally with this. And here's what I want to leave you with. Spiritual work does not replace physical work. You can dress the water, but you still need to post the content. You can pray for customers, but you still need to provide good customer service. And you can ask for visibility, but you still need to make yourself visible. Even when asking for increased sales, you need to give people a reason to buy. So for me, spiritual work supports my physical work. So while you're making this water, make sure you're asking yourself, what physical actions am I willing to take to support my intention? Because if I'm asking for better business, I need to be prepared to support and maintain better business. So we've got our basil for prosperity, cinnamon for momentum, peppermint for fresh movement, allspice for success, orange peel for attraction and visibility, then green aventurine on the side for increase and growth. Then we have one intention tying everything together. Better business, not simply more business. If this content was helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. See y'all next time.